Второй класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, страница 64-65. English, Spotlight 2, My Animals, homework page 64-65. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? We must repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? It is summer. Лето. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. My dear friends, what season do you see? Весна. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Repeat after me. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. Boys and girls, we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our work. And now open your books, please. Page number 64. 64. Exercise number 1. Прочитай слова, составь предложение и прочитай их. Read after me. Frog, bird, chimp, fish, horse, sing, jump, swim, run, dance. Exercise number 1, the answer. A frog can jump. A bird can sing. A chimp can dance. A fish can swim. A horse can run. And now we must do exercise number 2, page number 64. Что умеют делать дети? Look at the picture. Посмотри на картинку. и скажи, используя образец. Larry can dance. Lulu can jump. Bob can swim. Peter can jump. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 65. 65. Exercise number 3. Спой песенку, сопровождая движениями. Look at the picture, please. Repeat after me. I can jump like a frog. Boing, boing. I can swim like a fish. Splish, splash, splish. I can jump and I can swim. I can dance and I can sing. And I can run and run and run. Just like this. Boys and girls, the lesson is over. Goodbye.